Hi. Okay, in this video we are going to talk about the system of linear equation. But what is the system of linear equation? First of all, look, this is a linear equation. When we have more than one linear equation, which means in this type, two linear equations, so it is called the system of linear equation. But how can we solve the system of a linear equation? When we are going to solve the system of linear equation, which means we need to find the value of x and y that satisfy both equations. So what should we do to solve this? We have different methods to solve system of linear equation. In this video, we are going to talk about substitution. How can we solve a system of linear equation by substitution? So, go ahead and get started. To solve a system of linear equation by substitution, we need to choose one of our two equations. I usually choose that linear equation that has a smaller coefficient. For example, here the coefficient of x is 1, coefficient of y is 1, but here the coefficient of x is 3 and the coefficient of y is 4. So, I want to choose this equation as the first equation to start my solution. X plus y equals 1. And continue the solution with this equation. But what should we do as the first step? As the first step, we need to solve for y. I'm going to choose this one, x plus y equals negative 1. So, to start the solution, we need to solve for y. What does it mean? Which means we need to isolate the y. To isolate the y, we need to keep y one side and x and number constant to other side. So I wanna write y here, left side. Let's transpose x to the other side. Do not forget, when we change the sign, we need to change the sign. This is positive x, it's gonna be negative x. Negative 1, right side. So don't change the sign. Minus 1. So this is y. Keep it here. Now, as the step 2, we need to substitute the value of y in our next equation. Our next equation is 3x minus 4y equals 4. So, as you know, y is negative x minus 1. So, I'm going to substitute negative x minus 1 here. Let's see what happens. We have 3x minus 4y negative x minus 1 equals 4. From here we can find the value of x. So 3x, I want to write it. Negative 4 times negative x is going to be positive 4x. Negative 4 times negative 1 is going to be positive 4 equals 4. Now we are going to find the value of x. To find the value of x, we need to isolate the x, which means we need to solve for x. 3x plus 4x is going to be 7x plus 4 equals 4. Next step, transpose this positive 4 to the other side. So it's going to be 7x equals 4 minus 4. What is 4 minus 4? 0. So 7x is gonna be 0. Now we have 7x equals 0. What is the value of x? To find out the value of x, we need to divide both sides by the coefficient of x. Divide by 7, divide by 7. This 7 cancel off. So left side x. Now tell me, what is 0 over 7? Do not forget, 0 over numbers always is 0. So this is the value of x. To continue the solution, let's substitute the value of x to next equation to find out the value of y. So, next equation, we have 3x minus 4y equals 4. Now, we already calculate the value of x. The value of x is 0. So, to solve this, 3 times x minus 4 times y equals y. 3 times 0 is going to be 0. So, 0 minus 4y equals 4. Negative 4y equals 4. What is the value of y? To find out the value of y, we need to divide both sides by coefficient of y, which means negative 4. Negative 4 cancel off. 4 times negative 4 is going to be negative 1. So the value of y is negative 1. Our answer, x equals 0 and y equals negative 1. This is the answer of this linear equation. Now we are going to check our answer. We are going to see the answers are true or not. Let's check it. To check, I'm going to plug this x equals 0, this y equals negative 1 in our equation and see both sides are equal or not. So we have 3x minus 4y equals 4. Also we have x equals 0, y equals negative 1. So I'm going to plug this x equals 0 here, this y equals negative 1 here, and see both sides are equal or not. To check our answer, 3 times 0 minus 4 times negative 1 equals 4. 3 times 0 is going to be 0. Negative 4 times negative 1 is going to be positive 4. Left side, right side, we have 4. Positive 4 equals 4 or not? Absolutely yes. Our answers checked. And this is the way that we are using to solve the system of linear equation by substitution.